Today is a great day because what we were doing was trying to make sure that people understand all of the programs that we offer. This year we are focusing on our careers in healthcare and those pathways.
It was a great experience being on the panel. Allowed me to be able to meet and see some other great people that's doing great things for the city and for the college, and gave me an opportunity to see other resources that's available not only to myself but to other future nurses and other people that's trying to grow in a career path.
Well, I just really appreciate what Southwest Tennessee Community College is doing and expanding the health training footprint and the way they serve the students and help facilitate them getting this education, supporting their needs, and ultimately helping Tennessee be healthier.
Quite frankly, my hat's off to Southwestern. This is a great opportunity for younger people in the community to learn about careers in healthcare and to learn about what are the training opportunities for them to get into those careers.
I learned a lot about the different corporations or the different businesses and different partners that partner with Southwest and that continue to give back to the community of Memphis Medical District.
We can't do the work that we do without our community partners, and today when you see all the partners coming, that lets us know that they believe in what we do and that they join with us to help us to serve the students, and that is what this day really is all about.
1, 2.